Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to claim rewards from collections easily. So let's get started. First just tap on the rewards icon, this one. And then next just tap on collections like this. It has a label like this. If you has a new rewards, just tap on it. And then next just look for a collections with a special gift icon, this one. Just tap on it. And then after that, just tap on the blinking reward, this one. That blinking effect shows that the reward is ready to be claimed. Just tap on it like this. These rewards can be claimed after you collect enough points like this. Its point level will give you a different rewards and you can check them on the progress bar like this. And to earn points, just go to the item that has a unique red dot icon like this. And then next just sort the item to the unlock. And then just tap on this. And then just tap on the collections or item with that special icon to accumulate points like this. And then just keep collecting items and fill the progress bar and don't miss your rewards. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.